Hello guys, welcome back with a new video. Today I will show you how to factory reset a Firestick TV. Before that, subscribe our channel, like the video and watch the video complete. Viewers, I will show you how to factory reset Firestick TV, types of reset, what are the problems before reset, why you reset and what are the reset methods. There are two types of reset, viewers, soft reset and a hard reset. I recommend in my all videos that before we do a hard reset, we will soft reset, viewers. It will solve many problems. Now what is soft reset method? Press and hold the select and play button for 15 seconds from the Firestick TV remote until this Firestick TV logo comes on the screen.
Let's now show you how to do the factory. If not, let's now show you how to do the...
Now how to do a hard reset. Press and hold right and back button for 15 seconds from the Fire TV stick remote until this message pops up. Reset to factory default. Press OK and you will have the factory original values. There are many problems like lagging and applications not loading, net connectivity issues that can be cleared by factory reset your Fire TV stick. Well, this is the video for today, viewers. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.